What's been your favorite family memory?
I think hikes are a big part of our childhood. Just like going down in the ruins and stuff. That's what I think of when I think of our family.
I mean, yeah, I think that perfectly reflects what we were talking about too, with like, we all, like hiking is all about like exploration and about like Dad always made sure that we were able to like explore our environment and explore things when we were hiking and like actually like have fun with our like surroundings like that.
Right, yeah.
I think, I don't know, I'm kind of ready to move on. I still love my friends, but I'm outgrowing them, definitely. Of course, having fun with them is the best ever, but definitely not what I need right now to move myself forward.
What's the least?
The least what?
The least thing that you're looking forward to, like what you're not looking forward to.
Just spending family time together.
Yeah, not being able to do that.
Yeah.
What are you most excited about for this tattoo?
Showing it off to people.
Yes.
It's gonna be a big flex.
Yeah, what are you gonna say when people ask you about your tattoo, Evan?
I don't know. They represent each person in our family, probably. There you go. That's what I'd say.
How you feel?
Over here! Water.
And if I click, do you want this picture? Sure. Okay, well, I was going to show you an example of how so do you want to say something back? Oh, so that means that she's in the chat, and then that means that she's typing.
No. Tell her to get off her phone and meditate.
I think Christmas is going to be amazing.
Christmas is
I'm
gonna be
looking
great.
forward to everyone coming back home and like making our wreath cookies and
That's gonna be so fun.
Yeah.
just decorating the tree and having
I mean, Christmas has always been a family staple. I mean, like the house is always full of music and people and cookies.
Xbox controller! Jen! Wow, I haven't seen some of these pictures in like forever.
am I not looking forward to?
Yeah.
Like figuring out how to be with such an empty house.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
I mean, what do you guys value as a family?
Like respecting each other's individuality and self-expression but also like supporting each other in making decisions decisions and, doing things that individually bring us happiness, but also bring us closer together as a family.
Good night, my angel, time to close your eyes and save these questions for another day. I think I know what you've been asking me. I think you know what I've been trying to say. I promised I would.
I think my fondest memory, honestly, is playing in the back room of the old house.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I've laughed as hard or screamed as loud. Like all the emotions, right? All of it. Yeah, I mean, the quiet is gonna be hard to get used to.
Good night, my angel, now it's time to sleep. And still so many things I want to say. Remember all the songs you sang for me when we went sailing on an emerald bay.
Part of me's looking forward to it, but I mean, it's gonna be. I'm really gonna miss not being able to just yell up and call you down. The thing that I'm grateful for is that Mama and I took time to continue building our relationship. I've seen people pour themselves so much into their kids' lives that when the kids leave, that there's no scaffolding holding the relationship.
Yeah.
So I'm grateful that Dawn was very good about making sure that we did that. The thing I'm most looking forward to is seeing what happens next with you guys, seeing how you grow and develop and blossom out of the soil that we've created, and whatever that looks like.
What about you, Dad?
Individually picked out each bird based on my own story about each person in the family, why they're important to me. Well, you know me, always going above and beyond.
Yeah.
They understand that this is a one-time deal.
I don't know why.
No, Sticky Piggies off the counter.
I left you by the house of fun. I don't know why I didn't come. I don't know why I didn't come. When I saw the break of day.
Okay. So, Jaden, you came up with the idea of the tattoo. What was your motivation for us getting the tattoos?
I feel like that's a good first tattoo for everybody, is to like have something that represents all of us. Because I mean, I like this design that we chose because I mean we're all going through like pretty major transformations right now, and like we have gone through major transformations, and I don't know, I just think that's something that we all value, is allowing everybody to express themselves and make decisions that they know will help them, even if it's like a huge decision.
Or a decision that's brings you away from the flock.
Yeah. Because these decisions that Evan and I are doing, I mean, you're going to boarding school tomorrow.
Right.
And I'm going to England soon. Like, these decisions are huge decisions that will mean a completely new chapter for everyone involved. I mean, yeah, like, I've been ready to leave for a while. And
Since middle school.
No, since Shin was born.
yeah, I'm not looking forward to starting over because I've built such an amazing life here, and like I absolutely love it here. But I know that when I return, it won't be the same as it was, and it'll never be the same as it was. It's like when I leave, I'm leaving this entire chapter behind. I love you too.
Yeah, love you guys.
You guys.
I don't know why.
Nice.
Professional snowboarder.
Don't know why.
Or bodyboarder.
Don't know why.
How's that taste?
I did.
Happy ending.